Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send view once photo on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to send any photo or video which will auto delete just after opening once by the receiver on WhatsApp, then you simply need to open the chat window of that person. Now after opening the chat window, you just need to press on the attachment icon. Here you need to press on gallery. Now select the photo you want to send. Now to send this image with view once option, you need to press on this one icon. Now this option is activated and you need to press on the send button. Now we will open this message from receiver side. Now friends, our image will look like this in the chat window with view once option. Press on this photo icon to view the image. Now after closing this image, it will not be reopenable. Now as you can see, it is showing as opened. So friends, like this you can very easily send your photos or videos as view once on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.